So this is the PiCube Shop Core Magnetic MGC 4x4. So yeah, PiCube Shop have made quite a lot of core magnetic cubes, and I just decided to get a few of them, the ones that I think will be at least relevant and interesting. So they have definitely set this up slower than I would want, with tighter tensions than I would have personally. However, despite that, this is still turning really well, but I'm going to do my own setup to it, definitely, to make it a lot better for me. For other people, they might prefer it like this, but I think this is too inconveniently loose and yeah, slow. However, the nice thing is about this is that it's going to be very difficult to pop. But I want to pop it so that I can have a look at the core. So here we have. Okay, so looks like the way they've done it this time is that the magnets aren't actually visible in the core, which is a bit of a strange thing. I'm quite surprised about that, but I'm guessing the core is just magnetic itself. Well, they've got magnets that aren't quite visible, but in the core, and then you've got this corner magnet here. Yeah. So that's the extra bit that makes it even better than normal. I mean, I've heard some people say that this makes 5 seconds of difference to improves somebody from a 50-second average to a 45-second average. So I mean, if that really is the case, then maybe I could improve down to 36 seconds average. I mean, I've been trying to get down to 40-second average with Yao. Okay, so let's try and keep this in the camera frame and get timer. And everybody can critique my really terrible Yao solving, because I am using Yao now. Okay, so not great for a first solve, but as I said, it's too slow for my liking. It does seem to be speeding up a bit now, and I think during the 3x3 stage I definitely noticed more benefit. I think the thing is, I'm used to cubes with core magnets for 3x3 now. It's kind of become the standard thing for any high-end cube now. So now it's actually available on a 4x4, so that's very nice to see, and definitely provides a benefit. go, sub 40 at least. So yeah, I'll do one more solve. And yeah, while I'm scrambling, I might as well also test out the corner cutting. So I mean, yeah. Oh, interesting. Okay, trying to force too much corner cutting and you get a very strange pop. Like literally just one centerpiece just comes out on its own. That is not a common pop at all. Usually something would come with it. I'm glad that inner piece didn't come with it. That would be a lot more annoying. Okay, right. Let's solve this. So yeah, I think this definitely improves my 3x3 stage, and it definitely would improve my 3x3 stage more if it was set up to my preferences. I don't know what they do to it. I presume they do some setup to it, but it's just slow. I think a lot of people won't find this slow, though. A lot of fast cubers are going to really like this the way it is, actually, but I would prefer it to be a bit faster personally. But of course, the thing is, like, you're adding extra magnets, so it's obviously going to be slightly slower out of the box. That's just how it's going to work. And then you've got to do the lubrication to make it faster again, if that's what you want. And I guess that is what I want personally, but other people might not. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. This is available for £45 at speedcubing.org, which obviously is a lot more than an ordinary MGC 4x4, but I think it's definitely worth it if you're really looking to get good at 4x4. Like, it does make a difference, it does help, and I mean, I'll try the AOSU WRM core magnetic version soon. That might be better for me, but for some people, if you like an MGC over an AOSU WRM, well, why not get a core magnetic one?